If you want the job done right by people that really care, then that's why you would call American Chimney. The key services that we offer are chimney sweeping and inspection, masonry restoration, waterproofing, fireplace and stove and appliance installation and service, as well as dryer vent service. Homeowners have an expectation that the person that arrives to their home to service their fireplace and chimney has a thorough understanding of what that means. So we won't send a technician out to sweep or inspect a fireplace unless they are certified by the Chimney Safety Institute of America.
American Chimney takes certification seriously because of what it is that we do every day.
And we make sure all of our guys go through that training so that when they come back, they're not just there to sweep a chimney, they're there looking for any defects, any issues that we need to address to make sure it's safe to use.
Other things that homeowners care about, are they going to arrive on time? Are they going to do what they said they're going to do? Being a small company, we actually, as a team, came together and identified a whole list of values, things that were important to us. And I would say at the top of the list is caring. If we care about our customers, about each other, then the other values that we have are going to be expressed and lived through.
Their home is a sanctuary. My home is a sanctuary that I like to go back to. I want to know that whoever's coming into my home is going to be taking care of it and me, and that's what we strive to do.
When you have someone come into your house, you don't want to have just some stranger walking in. You want to be able to trust them, and that's what we do is we build a rapport with the customer, see what they're really looking for, not just to do a job, but to go above and beyond that. A fireplace at a home is a good gathering spot, just a good location for the family to get together, and we want to make sure that the customer can burn a fire and feel safe knowing that there's not going to be an issue. Give us a call if you have questions. We're more than happy to help you over the phone. We want you to be happy just as much as we want you to be safe.